Hi there, my name is Dave Richards and I'm the Vice President of CryptoPay. CryptoPay has developed a new contactless reader called CRYPTOTAP, and this was done in partnership with MagTek and their DYNAWAVE product. Key to the design is the engineering support and OEM support we got from MagTek. It was timely, it was helpful, and we're going to bring a great new product to market because of the help and support we get from MagTek. So the DYNAWAVE module that we get from MagTek will pair with our CryptoPay circuit board and provide a contactless solution for the unattended payment space of car wash and laundry. The CryptoPay system is something that thousands of customers already have, and when they buy the CryptoTap unit, they just simply have to install it on the coin box or on the auto cashier, and it pairs seamlessly with their existing swiper. It's fast. It's a great product. So we're very thankful for this opportunity to have yet again partnered with our wonderful partners at MagTek for this new product called CryptoTap, utilizing their fabulous product, DYNAWAVE. Thanks again, MagTek, for all you do for us. We appreciate you.